Hello, my name is Sarah DeWong. I'm a consultant and project manager at Concentrus, a NetSuite solution provider. In this video, I want to show you some quick, simple troubleshooting steps for workflows. This is especially a good starting point, especially if it is not a workflow that you created. So the first thing I like to do is I like to go to the list of workflows, and what I do is I search for a record type. And what this tells me is under the customer record, how many workflows are currently released or active on that record or transaction. That tells me the complexity that's going on behind everything. So that's the first thing I like to look at. The next thing is you would actually go to your record. In this case, I'm in a sales order. And I go to Systems Information. Under Workflow History, I will see the workflows that are being triggered on this particular sales order. So a couple of things to note. This is the name of the workflow that's being triggered, and these are the state names. And if you're not familiar with workflows, I will show you here. So this is an example workflow. This is a sales order basic workflow that's on my sales order right now. And these gray boxes you see here are the states. So the summary we just saw are within each state where the workflow, which state the workflow actually went through. Now, to go deeper into that, let's go into the logs. And what you want to do is you want to show rejected actions and transitions, and you want to show ID. So the idea is the specific step within that state that's being executed or looked at. And the result here you'll see is that it's either executed or it's being considered or it is rejected. So those are the results that you'll see here. And how this will help is if it's executed and successful, you will see that within this step, right here, the result was executed, meaning it was successful. And how you relate back is, take a look, this is workflow action 1662. What I'll do is I'll go back to the workflow that's called sales order basic approval, and I'm going to go to the state called approved to look for that specific step. So I'm in the workflow, this is the approved step, and I'm going to look here to look at the ID. So this would help me if it was rejected or there was an error out. I go back to this specific step and I can look at the conditions or how it was set up to see where the issue may lie. Okay. So at a high level, this is how I would troubleshoot. Couple of things for you to start with, and I hope this was helpful. If you need any help or have any questions, please feel free to reach out with us at any time. Thank you.